Thank you for joining our class today. We are going to cover Note Verbale. A note verbale is a brief diplomatic note. It is written in third person, typed on official letterhead, and stamped with an official seal. Notes verbale should begin with a salutation, which is a courteous and polite phrase greeting the recipient. Notes verbale are not as formal as a first-person note and are not signed, although they do have initials at the end of the note. You will learn more about third-person voice during this week's grammar lesson. However, I would like to show the difference between the first person and third person. In our example of first person, the sentence uses the pronouns we and our and a specific person's name. We present our compliments to Dr. Andrew Hama Matatwa. This sentence is personal in nature. A third-person voice takes the personal out of the communication. It is about someone or an organization rather than being to a specific person. Notice in the example of a third-person sentence, the pronoun we is replaced with the name of the organization. The pronoun our is replaced with the third-person pronoun its, and Dr. Matetwa's name is replaced by the name of the organization that he represents. The Embassy of Ethiopia presents its compliments to the Embassy of Zimbabwe. Third-person pronouns, which should be used when writing a note verbale, are he, his, him, she, her, hers, it, and its. On this slide are examples of letterhead and an embosser with a seal I created. The letterhead should be placed at the very top of a written document. The seal goes toward the bottom of the document at the end of the writing. The salutation in a note verbale is a complimentary statement of greeting. In other words, it is a way of very politely saying hello while demonstrating goodwill. The Embassy of the United States wishes to present its compliments to the Embassy of Ethiopia. You have access to an example of a note verbale and a template to use for your assignment. I don't want you to spend time trying to create a letterhead or a seal. The organization you work for will have one for you to use. Please use the ones provided and focus on the content of your assignment.